optimally manufactured. This was the first prototype. A beautifully baked, thin wall thickness. Get the cocktail cone out of the oven. Yeah. Weld it together and that creates the outside. 16 at a time in the UniView. And the whole design used in the machine, small parts. Go LP gas, go! Yes! Hi there folks. A few years ago when we started developing the whole Unicus system, one of the key components of getting the cones in the machines was a way to get them rotated and heated uniformly. So getting air over it and getting the cones to rotate or move in such a way that they can be baked uniformly and kept warm uniformly was important for us. So at that stage we came up with an idea to have a disc like this with 6 holes that had 6 different separate cone holders where the cones could be rotated around the central axis inside the machine, and that would give us the capability of keeping them uniformly warm. 6 cones was definitely not enough at that stage, but that's where we were. Later on we started with the cocktail cones, and the cocktail cones gave us the opportunity to multiply and really make use mathematically of every square millimeter on that disc. So what happened, the disc enlarged slightly, as you can see, it enlarged a little bit, but it increased from 6 cones to 16 cones. And the 16 cones permit us to have cocktail cones and normal large pizza cones in one disc. So now they are rotated and warmed 16 at a time in the UniView. So this is the UniView cone holder that's been redesigned in 2019 to accommodate 16 pizza cones in total. So to clean a disc like this inside the machine, you had to reach into the machine, clean the disc around the shaft that runs up here, and clean the top and the bottom of the disc holder. And this cone disc holder was always a challenge to clean properly. With the coming of the new design of the 16 holes, after a lot of deliberation, we came up with the idea to have a slot in the middle here, which was absolutely mathematically calculated between these holes. To have a slot here, so when this shaft runs in the middle here, at the end of the day, this whole cone holder can be slotted out of this shaft, taken out of the machine, cleaned externally, and then put back and locked again inside the machine. So beautiful design to have the slot in there to clean it easily afterwards. So that's the concept around the cone holders in the UniView, and especially the latest designs of the UniView.